Hey guys, I want to show you how Apollo always saves a loss in case like you buy a coin and maybe you decide to sell it on loss. Using my account here, I started trading with it in Feb this year, that is 2025, around 4th there, if I may say. Then I cancelled some tradings on loss, so it means that I recorded some losses in my account. Now this Apollo bot, it kept on recording these losses. So if we can see them here, that if I come back here to profits, then from profits here, from this date here, this is on 3rd of Feb 2025, I bought a coin. You know, when you're starting to trade like in sport, there is this charge which is 0.02. That one is charged by the exchange and it is recorded here. Then now the coin kept on going down, so I decided to cancel the trade. This is on 5th of Feb. I cancelled the trade when it was in negative 2.57. This is US dollars, so it is saved here after me cancelling that trade. Then I restarted the trade again on that very day because the coin had gone down, so I wanted at least to try and pick it from down. But again that date again, the coin kept on going down, so I canceled the trade from here. So it recorded the $2 now, because the first time it was negative 2.57, it recorded. Then the second date when I cancelled again, the coin was in negative 2.13. And here it recorded, so it recorded now $4.72. Now from this date, so I got out that money and I stopped trading, and that's why you're seeing that following all these days it kept on recording. From 8th of Feb 2025, the total was here. It would be in positive, but I'm going to show you in positive. As you're seeing my screen here now, I have positive 0.1. Now it kept on recording until 16th of March. You can see here all. I stopped trading until 16th of March. Here is when again I started trading. Now you're going to realize that when I was trading with only $20 in Apollo bot. As I have been saying that Apollo bot, you need only gas fee of $30, which you're going to deposit in the platform, and you buy a gas fee. Then you can put $20 in your exchange for start. Then you keep on adding them as you're trading. That is just how you can start it. Don't wait much money for starting. So when I started on 16th of March, 17th I did not get any money. 18th, now this time I was strong because I had some money, the one I was using. Now this one I put it here specifically for the trading. Now on 19th of March it is sold. Now you can see that the negative here reduced, so it is trying to recover what you lost in the previous tradings in case you cancel the trade. But guys, if you don't cancel any trade, you leave it in floating loss, it is going to recover. Now this time when I started trading, I was using WorldCoin, and WorldCoin that time was at 0.8 something. It went to 0.7. Then I canceled the trade, but just of recent WorldCoin went up to 0.9, of which it was going to sell that money. I would have not recorded this loss of -2 and -4, let me say. I would have not recorded if I left that coin to trade. So when you're trading and the coin is floating, please don't cancel your trade. Just leave it to move. It is going to recover and you get your money. Now when I got it here, it recorded here that -3. Now the debt it is left with was there because I got a profit and it recovered it here. Then this on 20th again I got it. It keeps on removing up to this date. Again there is something that happened. I sold the coin manually, but I think the coin fell down at that very time. That's why it recorded this one, this negative loss. Then here, that is on 25th, it is sold roughly it would have been $1. So it removed positive 0.29 minus 2.10. This is the balance that remained, that is 1.18, negative 1.18. So you can see here, this is 29th of March, but of course this negative 0.2 is exchange tax. That is the tax in the exchange, not in Apollo bot. So Apollo bot just records it here, but it is from the exchange. Now on this date I managed to recover this negative 0.6. so meaning in my profits, real profits, that it is now calculating that, and now I have profits from Applebot is this one, 0.10. But it doesn't mean that it is recovering all this money and they are disappearing. No, all what it has got, like all this negative 4.72 that it has recovered today on the 30th of March is in this account. It has just recovered it and it has saved it in the account. So if I come back and check on Saturdays, you can see that this is the Saturday. So all these $4.82. If I go down, you can see that 16th, as I told that I started this trade on 16th of March. So this is how it is. So these negatives are here because I just started the trading that very date again. And this 0.2, the tax was recorded and it was saved. So this is how it was up to today's 30th of March. So that is how Applebot always recovers the losses you have made. But if you don't cancel the trade, there will be no losses you're going to make, but only you're going to be like there. You'll not be making some money that date until that coin recovers and it sells for you. So that is all about how Applebot always recovers the losses you have made. Now, if you don't have an account, please check under this video. I have left the link. Create an account, deposit gas fee, a minimum of $30, and you're going to buy gas, which is equivalent to 3,000 if you deposit $30 US. This is now the right way we can go. Let's meet in the next coming video.